Resultant force. It states that a single force which produces same effect as produced by all other forces. One element is consist of different type of forces. Okay. But the resultant is that one force which produces the same effect that all other forces together produce. If I can take one point, one force is occurring in this direction, P. Other one is occurring in this direction, Q. Okay. These two forces is in different direction and at one point. The resultant of these two is here, which produces the same effect that is being produced by these two. Okay, and it makes the angle with the largest force, which is the bigger force. Okay, and it is considered as alpha, and the angle between these two is considered as theta. So we need to find the resultant force, and the method for find or the laws for finding the resultant force are as given. The first laws for resultant force. First one is law of paragraph. Second one is law of triangle. These two laws are used to find the resultant force.